Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GitLab DevOps platform. GitLab DevOps platform is a comprehensive DevOps platform offering a range of tools for software development, from planning and source code management to CI/CD and monitoring. It's targeted towards software development teams and organizations of all sizes looking to streamline their workflows and improve collaboration. Key features include version control with Git, CI/CD pipelines, issue tracking, and monitoring tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. GitLab positions itself as an all-in-one solution, aiming to eliminate the need for multiple disparate tools. They emphasize ease of use and collaboration, highlighting the integrated nature of their platform. Pricing is transparent, although it varies based on features and user needs. The platform utilizes a robust, cloud-based infrastructure. Availability is global, and you can check their website for specific region details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GitLab DevOps platform. I initially used it for a personal project, a small website built using React. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to create a repository and set up a basic CI/CD pipeline within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive, even for someone without extensive DevOps experience. I particularly appreciated the visual representation of the CI/CD pipeline. It made monitoring the build process very straightforward. Performance was excellent, the pipelines ran efficiently, and the platform responded quickly to my requests. I had a quick question about integrating a specific testing framework, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful link to their documentation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the built-in issue tracker, which seamlessly integrated with the code repository. One minor drawback was the learning curve associated with some of the more advanced features, such as configuring custom runners. It took me a little while to get used to these. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GitLab DevOps platform. It's a powerful and versatile tool that significantly streamlined my development workflow. That's my overview of GitLab DevOps platform. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.